This was about 3 years ago, but I mean, my wife also studies literature or studied literature, so I was aware of who he was. But a friend of mine, a photographer, actually gave me a collection, a new collection of translations of his poetry. We were just having coffee one day, and he just handed it to me. He said, "I think you'll like this. I think this is something that's in your zone of taste." And he was quite right. I mean, I was really taken with it immediately. I read it that afternoon and read it repeatedly for, let's say, several weeks after that. And I guess after that process, let's not call it process, after that pleasure of reading that, then I started to think about making songs out of them. But it was also very natural. It wasn't some kind of, like I had a master plan. It just seemed very natural extension of my enjoyment of them, of these poems, was to try to do maybe something with them. If for no other reason, my own selfish reasons, that I could be around these words even more. Because if you're working with them, you're not just sticking the book, to the side of the bed and forgetting about it. You have to get up and deal with it. So I think, like most of what I do, I tend to do it for very selfish reasons, my own pleasure, really.
Morda bi na tem mestu poudaril, sorry Chris, I tell this in Slovene, ne dogaja se vsak dan, da se pač neko svetovno znani umetnik pravzaprav navduši nad nekim slovenskim, recimo, umetniškim delom. Še toliko bolj to velja, kadar gre za poezijo. To se je ta neka iskrica preskočila med Chrisom, ki živi, kot veste, v Sloveniji sicer, že nekaj let, in pa poezijo Daneta Zajca. Ravno tako redko je, da, tudi to, kar bi poudaril, da tak umetnik potem svoj projekt zaupa v roke slovenske založbe. Torej, založba Sanja je tudi glasbena založba, čeprav žal v šibkejšem smislu, kot bi to lahko bila. Namreč, kot vemo, glasbeno založništvo v Sloveniji, pravzaprav o njem več ne moramo govoriti. Mislim, da smo ga Slovenci v glavnem izgubili. Ampak, skratka, zelo sem počaščen, da je Chris zaupal ta album založbi Sanja. Torej, album izhaja te dni v Sloveniji preko sicer matične evropske založbe Chrisa Ekmana, Glitterhouse, pa bo v prihodnjih mesecih doživela release po vsej Evropi.